For our Samoa, the way we live, the path we tread, we keep the roots strong, we no left them dead. Legacy feel big picnic from the land to the sea. For our Samoa, we wear with destiny. He said the culture deep, it a run through we vein. Respect the elder, now bring no shame from the island's top to the island shore. We carry the pride where we ancestors born. Unity filled with strength, we no walk alone. Village spirit strong, I feel we own. From the tapa cloth to the Tatau skin, every mark where we wear it, I tell where we've been. For our Samoa, the way we live, the path we tread, we keep the roots strong, we no left them dead. Legacy feel we picnic from the land to the sea. For our Samoa, we wear with destiny. Family first, that's how we code for life. Father, mother, husband, and the wife. We gather on the mat, food for the soul. For us Samoa, make the broken heart whole. The coconut tree, it a gift from Jah. We use every part, man, a throw now war. Dance on the drum, let the fire ignite. We tell we story on that the starlight. They say respect the land, the air, the breeze. For us Samoa, keep it blooming like the trees. Tradition strong like the ocean tide. Where we born, and where we pride. For us Samoa, the way we live, the path we tread, we keep the roots strong, we no left them dead. Legacy feel we picnic from the land to the sea. For us Samoa, we wear with destiny. So we chanting loud, make the world know. For us Samoa, the light will always glow. We carry the torch for the next generation. A way of life, a deep foundation.